Welcome to this Nadex video tutorial. During this brief video, we're going to take a look at working orders, both to establish a position as well as to take profit on an existing position. One of the key features of the Nadex platform and just trading with Nadex in general is you don't have to accept the market price. In many cases, traders will try to work an order to get a bit better price than the market's offering. For this example, we'll take a look at the US 500 greater than 1419. Now we can see the current market is at 58.50 bid, 62.50 offer. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the offer to bring up my order ticket. Now in this case, I might be willing to buy this at 62.50, but I might also try to get a better price to squeeze a few points out of the market if I get a little bit of a dip. Many technicians will look for dips and then a bounce. So in this case, I'd like to buy, but I don't want to buy at 62.50, and actually we've already seen the price move down. So in this case, I'm going to click on a size of 1, and that's just one contract. I can put in multiple contracts if I'd like. In this case, though, I'm just going to trade 1. Instead of a price of 62.50, I can either use the arrow to move down, or I can simply highlight and type in my price. So I see I've got a bid of 56.50. I'm going to try to just split the bid offer. I'm going to enter a price of 58, which is a better buying price. Again, the same concept, buy low, sell high, than 60.50. Now there's no guarantee that I'll get filled. The market may not move that low, but again, I'm trying to get the best price available. In this case, because I'm buying, I put up $58 in collateral. That's my maximum risk with a potential return of 42. I'm going to place this order. And what we can see also on the confirmation screen is my order has now become the best bid, one size. So if the market moves there, if somebody else decides to take that side, I've got the best bid. I'm in priority position with my one contract. So I'm going to close this confirmation screen. And now in my working orders. So this is an order that has not been executed in the market. So I can still click on this. I could cancel it if I choose, or I could amend it. So for example, if I amend the order to a price of, let's say, 59, I can amend my order, and now we have it at 59, and actually as soon as I amended it, the market dropped and now I'm filled. So that working order, rather than taking it at the initial price of 62.50 that at the time was the best offer, I was able to work this order and actually get filled at a more attractive price. Now again, it's not a guarantee that it will be filled. Let's now take a look at setting a working order to take profit. I have my contract that was just filled from my working orders at 14.19. I'm long 1. Current market's 54.50. Perhaps I want to take profit if the market hits 80. So what I'm going to do is just click on my open position here. I always recommend using the open position window because it will guarantee that I have the right contract. It's very easy to make a mistake if I use my markets contract to accidentally not select the 1419. So in this case, because I'm a buyer, if I want to offset this order, I want to place an order to sell. I have one contract long, so I'm going to sell one contract. And now I'm going to set my price. Let's say that we think the market's going to continue to go up. If it does go up to 85, I want to go ahead and close this position. I want to take my profit from where I bought at 59 and get out at 85. So I'm going to go ahead and place this order. Click close. I receive my confirmation. Now, if the market moves up, if where I bought at 59, if the market actually stays where it's at and we get the time decay, or if the market moves higher and we get filled at 85, this order will become active. The market can't trade through this order. So for example, it can't trade to 90 without filling me first. So now I have a limit order set to take profit. Should the binary for the US 500 greater than 1419 move to a bid price of 85, my order may get filled and I'll be able to collect my profit rather than just waiting until expiration. Also, If I click on this again, because this is a working order, let's say that I think the market, we've slowed down a little bit. Perhaps I say, okay, I was being a bit too greedy initially. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to change this to 80. I can just highlight that, place 80, click Amend Order, and I click Close. As always, because this is a working order, it's not actually in the market, it hasn't been offset yet, I can always cancel this, again, by clicking on the name of the contract and selecting Cancel Remainder. Now at this point, I can see that I have no working orders. So if the market does move higher, I don't have a limit to take profit. However, I can always manually execute a trade when I think that it's reached the value that I was looking for in the trade. So I don't have to hold it till expiration. Thank you for joining us on this video tutorial.